Hi, this video is about the Laureate Student Representative Application for the Clinton Global Initiative University Program. My name is Sirish Nandapotu and I am a final year undergraduate student in Automotive Design Engineering in the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies in Dehradun, India. I'm passionate about race car design and the science of aerodynamics, particularly its role in the design of F1 cars. And in line with this passion, my goal is to be a Formula One engineer, to be a part of those F1 teams, the trackside teams that work there. But eventually, my dream is to pursue a PhD in the field of race car aerodynamics. Now, coming to the question, how have I impacted my community or my society? Well, I'll give you one example. 2 years ago, I started using the cycle to come to college from my hall of residence. Now, back then it was not a cool thing to do. Everybody uses cars and stylish bikes, but eventually 6 months later, 7 months later, I saw another student coming from his hall of residence every morning using the cycle. And the number grew and grew, and right now we are a group of 30 students who cycle to college every day. And I feel this impacts the society in three ways. The first two are pretty obvious, the health of the students and also the environment. But the third is what I'd like to talk about, is the education sector. Because every day when a student cycles and comes to college, he's not only being physically fit, he's also improving his mental fitness. Which means that all those hours he spends in the class, in the lab, doing his research, doing his projects, his efficiency increases, and therefore the education that he receives from the college, from the faculty, and from his own projects also increases by a considerable amount. So therefore, by kind of beginning this trend of cycling, I feel that I still am impacting the society in these three ways which I mentioned. Now, coming to the final question, why am I interested in representing Laureate in the CGIU? Now, Laureate is already trying a big way to impact the education sector with its huge network of universities and the rare opportunities that it provides to students from around the world. Now, tying up with the CGIU and sending students there to represent Laureate is a big deal, not only for Laureate but also to the students. To Laureate, it means that it is not only affecting the education sector now, it is also expanding its horizon and affecting sectors such as the public health, human rights, and the environment as such. But also for the student to take on this responsibility and to represent Laureate there and bring about this change that Laureate hopes to bring is a real honor. Therefore, it is my privilege to be a representative of Laureate and participate in the Clinton Global Initiative University Program and University of California in Berkeley in April this year. Thank you.